Okay, this is a short video how troubleshooting the ring rooftop unit. This one has it was one of the fan was not working and got a problem with the wrong capacity for the fan. I replaced that and it was that one was for the second stage, and it went out because when the fan is not running, the high pressure went up and shut it off. And I put new capacitor in there. It goes right in the top there. Between those fans, there is a plate cover, and there's where is the capacitors are. One capacitor is for this fan and the other one for the other side of the fence. This is first stage and that's the second stage right there. And that's pretty old, but they are dated, the unit. Put a new electrical system here. I like that. New compressors. And they work fine. They work properly. I like this unit. It's pretty old, but they're outdated. Electrical and everything. So the only thing they don't do is put in a new electrical panel here. I don't know why they don't do it. They should do it, you know, to make everything look nice. But that's all I got. So it's running now. I put a new capacity there. I check everything. So everything's fine, work properly. So I think we're good to go. This job has done. Thanks a lot for watching. Ciao.